Hey Justin, this is John, West Coast Connects. Kelly reached out and spoke with you today, promised this free video, so here it is. I'm going to keep things really short and sweet. I just want to show you 3 tips that you could do to really maximize your traffic online and build up that customer base. And all I ask in return is that you send me some feedback, whether that be via email, text, phone call, anything would suffice. I just would really love to get your thoughts. So with that, let's get started. So looking at your site, it's pretty well put together. It looks pretty clean. The one thing I would say right off the bat is that there's just not a ton of content here. And content is anything that you can highlight, whether that be pictures, text, but specifically I'm talking about content. And really you want a lot of content for a couple of reasons. The first is so that you could be found for specific keywords. So, I went ahead and looked at some of the keywords you are being found for, and it shows that you're being found for 4 keywords or ranking in the top 100 in those 4 keywords. And they're pretty good keywords. Water restoration, San Antonio, first call restoration, water damage restoration. But as you can see here, you're at the bottom of the 5th page, middle of the 6th page. Top of the ninth, top of the ninth. So you're really not going to get any traffic being that far down. But you are ranking for stuff, but what you really want is you want those buyer specific keywords like you want those in your text. So, if I was wanting to rank for say I was trying to get, rank for Austin as well, right? I would have water damage restoration Austin as one of my headings, or maybe within my text, or maybe I might even save an image as that particular keyword, right? Or maybe one of my competition has a ton of search volume for theirs. I might save this image as their name so that I can start ranking for their stuff as well. So there's a lot of things you can do with your content and trying to rank and rank for specific things. So content's super important, and then it is also a ranking factor for Google. So one of the reasons why certain websites rank higher than others is because of content. So you really want content for a few reasons, and it's really effective and a useful tool. My second tip would be to really optimize and strengthen this GMB. So what a lot of people don't realize is that when somebody searches, water damage restoration San Antonio, right? Which is a good keyword, you are ranking for it, you're toward the bottom, but it's got 150 searches a month, so that's pretty good. So if there's 150 searches a month for this keyword, the first thing that shows up is anybody running ads, and then it's right into this map pack or this top 3 GMBs. And these top 3 GMBs can pull up to 40% of the traffic. So on a 150 search keyword, you're looking at 60 right off the bat that are going to these GMBs. So that's a lot of traffic that potentially is leaving right off the bat, and they're pulling to their website. So you kind of want to maximize the amount of traffic to your website by pulling it in a variety of ways, and the GMB is a great tool that can help you do that. So optimizing and strengthening this GMB is super important. My third tip would just be to strengthen your site. So here's some data from your site, okay? This is the strength and the trust, which, is shown in a numerical form. This is the amount of keywords that you're ranking for in the top 100, and we kind of showed you, I kind of went over that. These are the amount of websites or domains that are sending links back to your site. So right now you have 2 websites that are sending 2 links back to your site, right? And this is what really gives you the power, okay? And what you want is, you see this do follow link right here, it has a 0. You want quite a few do follow links. You don't want all do follow, but you do want most of them. And that will represent here in the trust and power on how strong your site is. And just to kind of show you what that looks like, okay, here's Mackenzie, and they're ranked number 1 for this keyword here, or actually, maybe not number 1. Oh yeah, they're ranked number 1 for this keyword. And so just to show you their site, so clean looking site, okay, lots of content, lots of text, and so here's the numerical value. And typically what you want is you want to be in the 20s or 30s. You really would like to see a 1-to-1 ratio. So there's some room for growth here for them as well. They have 66 referring domains and 222 backlinks, and they're ranking the top 100 and 485 keywords versus your 4. So they're ranking pretty high in a lot of stuff. And typically what you want to do is Google wants to see that you're interconnected. It's one big giant popularity contest. So having more referring domains and having more websites that are linked to your site that are niche specific or specific to what you're doing is really going to help you rank and shoot up those rankings and start showing that to Google that you're relevant and they should rank you for these keywords. So really important, and that would help you get traffic, obviously, pulling traffic through your GMB, pulling traffic to your website. So I hope this was informative. I hope it's helpful. If you'd like to know how to do this or you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out. We'd love to help you in any way we can. So with that, have a great day and God bless.